Good day, everyone. While I was searching about artificial intelligence in the internet, a question suddenly came to my mind. Could AI be one of the most pressing foreign policy issues of our time? And it says, yes, AI is becoming one of the most pressing foreign policy issues. So today, I stand before you to talk about one of the most pressing foreign policy issues of our time, the artificial intelligence, or what they call AI, and its role to international relations. AI, or artificial intelligence, is no longer just a technological matter. It has become a global foreign policy concern that affects national security, human rights, economic competition, and even diplomacy. Countries around the world are racing to develop advanced AI systems. The United States, China, and even the European Union are at the forefront. But the race is not just about innovation, it's about who set the rules. Without a proper global governance, AI could be the worst. Tension between nations, enable misinformations, and it will possibly create dangerous weapons that threaten international peace. Although there is no comprehensive international treaty on AI, we have agreements on nuclear weapons, climate change, and human rights. But when it comes to AI, one of the most transformative technologies in human history, we are still unprepared. That's why I advocate for the Philippines, along with other developing nations, to push for a global framework on AI governance under the United Nations. Such framework should focus on three priorities. Number one, ethical use of AI. This will ensure that AI respects human rights, privacy, and democratic values. Number two, transparency and accountability, requiring nations and corporations to disclose how AI systems are trained and used wisely, not to do some dangerous actions or activities. Number three, global cooperation, preventing an AI arm race by collaboration rather than rivalry. If we remain silent, AI policies will be shaped only by powerful nations and big tech corporations, leaving smaller countries without a voice. But if we advocate strongly, we can ensure that AI benefits all humanity, not just a few. Therefore, I call on our policymakers, diplomats, and youth leaders to support the creation of an international treaty. Let us push for the Philippines to take an active role in UN dialogues, to cooperate with ASEAN neighbors, and to raise our collective voice in shaping the future of AI. We need a world where AI serves people, not power. A world where innovation is balanced with ethics, and a world where technology becomes a tool for peace, not conflict. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just about science. It is about diplomacy, security, and humanity's future. The choice we make today will shape the world our generation inherits tomorrow. Let us not wait for the problem to arise before we act. Instead, let us stand united and advocate for responsible AI governance, ensuring that technology remains a force for good and international relations. Thank you.